Hey guys, it's me, Dan. Guess what I got for Christmas this year? And I've always wanted it. It's a hack pack from CrunchLabs by Mark Robert. And I got the IR turret. Think like an engineer. Let's get hacking.
Hey guys, my name is Dany. My name is Dan. Yeah. Dan. 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 Period. Let's play together. Let's have fun. Come join me now and grow with Dan.
Guys, don't judge me. I already opened it. It was my Christmas gift. I had to see what was in it. Anyway, let's see what's inside. Okay, so we got the instructions. We got, oh, nice. We got some gear thing. Here are the parts. I checked the whole set. No pieces are missing. Now let's build. So we'll need one of these. And then we'll need one of these. Guys, as you can see, the paper says I have to do this 4 times. Well, I already did 1, so 3 more times I have to do this. All 4 legs done. Moving on to the next thing. We have to test my launcher now. That's what the paper says. Okay, ready, set, fire! Oh, Mom, did I get you? I'm so sorry. Okay, let's move on. This is a very cool and complicated project. I finished building the body, and now we're loading the turrets. Guys, time for the scariest part of this project, the googly eye. The googly eye is attached. Okay guys, let's test IR. IR, are you ready? Looks like he's ready. Mom, watch out. Okay, I gotta go get the bullets. Guys, I have a secret stash of candy in my closet, and every day I come back from school, it gets smaller and smaller. And I have a feeling my brother Jason is stealing it one by one. So we're gonna program IR to recognize his face and target him if he is stealing my candy. Let's do this. Bam! Okay guys, coding is complete. Now, let's go put it in my closet. Let's find a good space for IR. Okay, IR is placed, and this is my secret stash of candy. Guys, I think IR is ready. Let's do this. Bye. See you after school. Time to at school. Time to go candy. Time to go. You missed me! Guys, while filming this episode, I promise you, no little babies were hurt. Like and subscribe. Go with Dany, TJ. Bye. See you in my next one. We learned, we played, had lots of fun. Subscribe and like. My name is Dan.